Hi guys! So we are going to our department and our challenge for today to speaking in Englishing only.
Wala. Beginning.
Yeah. But before that, let us introduce ourselves first. I am Nash Tolentino. Nice Tolentino. I am Janelyn Ignacio.
I am Lealyn Palomares.
Okay guys, she's Nikki Harley. Norsaba Borjal. And we are
We're going to a center of
attraction. Guys, it's so how do you call this? Shameful?
shameless.
Being shy. Wait. No, we can't speak any Bisaya language. Not even uy. So, yeah, guys. And look at me, guys. Whatever. No. I'm going to wave my phone for them to know that I am vlogging.
So we are here in Lavoya.
Yeah, Lavoyo. And Norsaba don't want to talk because she's already in a higher position and she don't want to
speak because she's
speak
like
because-
this. No, correct ko. Yes, so ouchie, me.
Yes, that's right. No Bisaya words should
Engage.
should engage in will you marry me?
It's so
So-
hard to laughing while you're walking.
Yes. I don't want to mind my shoes because I don't know what's the English of
What?
ako listo no?
Oh, my stone! Can you tie my shoes?
Yes.
Liston.
Can you hear that? Norsaba is speaking Bisaya,
Yes.
which is
No
not
vernacular.
no vernacular language is prohibited.
Prohibited.
Where
No,
yeah,
very short,
I know.
it's prohibited.
I know that I am dumb.
Dumb.
Young. Serious. So, we are already in NMSCST
Yep. At Ligarda Hall.
at Ligarda Hall. Yeah, this is the Ligarda Hall.
Yep.
And this is the canteen, the cafeteria here. And there are many students.
Here in the NMCST.
Yes.
It's so very handsome and pretty.
Yes. And we are currently having an event.
Excuse me.
And look at
It's
the person
called-
there. They are in a painting contest.
Yep.
And we also are in a English contest.
What's this? Soka?
What's soka in English?
Uh,
Vinegar?
Vinegar inside your body?
Yeah. Yeah, why? Why is there vinegar?
No, the Saba is just like that's why she cannot talk.
Yes. Yes. My
Different.
hand is numb already while holding the phone. And
Let me hold your phone. So
Let
that I
me
can
hold
be pretty.
okay, go.
So, tagadan.
No, with background music, you're gonna walk and then I'm gonna sit. Having king. Ikaw po eh. So we are here at the entrance area.
Another entrance.
Another entrance, yes. Ang link nasa comment section. Please click. Click here. Click here. Yeah, click here. There. Haven't I know. Where are we going?
We're going today.
To
What
the
did you call that?
department.
No, no, no.
Acacia.
The
Quadrangle.
quadrangle.
The center of the quadrangle. Okay, that's the challenge.
Yeah.
We are going to the center of quadrangle. Sit there for like 1 minute. Ah no, 30 seconds only. 30 seconds.
Yep. Because
Pause and breathe. Breath.
do you
breathe.
know that we don't have a baga face?
Yes.
I know we don't have a nipis face.
Yes,
So-
because it's
So very baga. There's
Yes.
a lot of layer in here.
yes. Ma'am, can you consider it as an IPA?
Huh?
Is it considered?
No,
No, you're not gonna consider
Because-
this.
because this is
Why?
not a exercise. Physical exercises.
It can be a recreational activity,
Yes, it is.
but for 30 minutes, I'm going to speak. Never mind.
minutes is so very-
Never mind. You were never mind. Oh my gosh.
I'm the center of attraction.
Attractionist. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay guys, namin dali doon kababay guys. Imahin lang ninyo guys.
Lubot yun.
Okay, that's not me. Jeneline don't speak in vernacular language. Do you know that? Do you know
It
that?
looks like so nice. Do you know who's this? Do you remember that?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Me.
Oh, there's nothing to remember about. Past is past.
Never be this.
Never enough.
Never enough.
I haven't heard Norsaba speaking.
Yes.
Why?
She cannot speak because she goes like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
So
I get it.
we will.
We will. Look. Oh no. Look at us. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're heading towards the center of the quadrangle.
Yes, we have no shame.
Yes, for 30 seconds.
We have
Just
no
watch.
Hindi, drag.
Just watch. For 30 seconds. Come here, Norsaba. Come here, Norsaba. Let's do the challenge. For 30 seconds.
Oh, there is no people in here.
Yes. So there's nothing to be ashamed of. To be shy
Yes.
of. To be ashamed. To be shy of. Come here, Norsaba.
Come here, I'm
Come
gonna talk to
here.
you.
Come here, Norsaba. No, just speak in English. Speak in English.
No vernacular language.
No vernacular
here.
language is allowed here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where's the center?
Where's the center?
I don't know either. There.
I think that is.
It's gonna sit down here.
For 30 seconds.
Oh.
Here?
Let's check if
Here?
there is a ants or any insects here,
Here?
so that we can sit down. Oh, why did you get my?
Hoy!
Oh my God!
Okay. Let's do it.
Let's sit down.
Just talk.
Oh, you have a
30 seconds.
all white. You have a all white.
1,
Arigo.
2, You can count, Nars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Allah, I think that can't be posted or that can't be posted in any social media because it's too long.
You can edit that.
Like that.
Yes. The unnecessary bits. Or,
Okay. Did you count?
no.
21.
Nah, you're a cheater, bro.
Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sir Tara is
15.
there. 16, 17, 19, 20, 21,
22,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Oh my god.
29, 30. That's it. Okay. So done, guys. What's the next challenge? See you in part 2.
We're gonna post it in the TikTok.
In our in our YouTube. Let's make a YouTube. Malay natin. Joke lang.
How about
Eto?
TikTok?
What's that meme again?
What?
Ito bang malay natin. Ay, if we don't try, how will
At least we try.
at least we try. Ay. At least we try na to. Naman to, sumpay. Taas-taas nito siya.
I don't know. I don't remember either.
Yeah, I don't remember the meme also. So, bye guys.
I'm Pingsan. God bless.
Yes. See you in our
In our
next,
next vlog.
video. Yeah, in our next vlog. Bye-bye.
Painit na rin, bro. Wala na kayo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.